Dear students, how are you? This is Hassan Manju Hilali, Senior Teacher of English of Motizil Model School and College. In this class, I would like to discuss from your English for Today book, Unit 4, Lesson 2, A Teacher. Dear students, look at the picture. Look at another picture here. Can you guess what her profession is? There are different professions here: doctor, nurse, engineer, teacher, business. She is a teacher. Can you tell what she does in school and in her home? Discuss with your friend what she does in the school and in her house. Today our topic is A Teacher, Part 2, Unit 4, Lesson 2. Learning outcomes of the lesson. By the end of the lesson, the students will be able to ask and answer questions, read and understand text, talk about people, fill in the gaps, tell the meaning of some keywords. Dear students, let's read the passage at first. Shahana's husband, Mr. Jamil Huda, works in a company office. His firm has a vacant position. On several days, he told Shahana, "I want you to apply for the post." But Shahana said, "Please don't insist. I am joining the local high school as a teacher." "What do you find in the teaching job, Shahana? I don't want you to do it." Her in-laws were also on his side. Yet Shahana joined the school against the will of the family. Weeks, months went by. Every day, Shahana helps with the household work. Every day, she works hard to prepare her lessons. Every day, she goes to school, teaches her students, and helps both weak and bright ones. They often come to her in the teacher's room, in the corridor, and even on the road, and talk to her about any academic or personal problems. Within a year, Shahana becomes a very popular teacher. Students give her salam wherever they see her. Teachers, even the head teacher, admire her. Parents and other people in the community come to see her at home and at the school and pay her great respect. One day, her husband said, "You have opened my eyes, Shahana. Teaching is more than a job. I didn't know it. Congratulations." "Thank you," she smiled. "Tell me, Shahana, how you could be such a great teacher?" Jamil wanted to know. "I don't only teach my subject. I care for my students. I love them. I myself demonstrate good behavior and inspire them to be good. That's all I do," replied Shahana. Ask your friend the following question. What is she doing? She is teaching. Ask your friend the following question. What is she doing? She is talking to the students. Ask your friend the following question. What is she doing? She is doing her household work. She is making bread. Ask your friend the following question: what are people doing to her? People are giving her salam. Now we shall learn vocabulary. Company. Suppose the Square is a renowned pharmaceutical company in Bangladesh. Company means a commercial business. Now the word vacant. There is something in the box. It is vacant. Vacant means having nothing or empty. Now the word corridor. The classes are going on. There is nobody in the corridor. A long passage in a building from which doors lead into rooms. Demonstrate. The girl is demonstrating how a mouse works. Demonstrate means show something clearly by giving evidence. Inspire. The teacher is helping students to make garden. Thus, she inspires students to do good work. Inspire means fill someone with the ability to do or feel something good or encourage. In-laws. Here you can see photograph of two women. One Mrs. Indira Gandhi and the other Sonia Gandhi. Indira Gandhi is mother-in-law of Sonia Gandhi. The meaning of in-laws is relatives by marriage. Now, individual work or pair work. Go to the section B in the textbook, then match the words with their meanings. Match the words with their meanings. Company, vacant, status, in-laws, corridor, academic, admire, demonstrate, inspire. At first try yourself and then check the answers. The answers are: company means business, vacant, empty. Status means high rank or social position. In-laws means relatives by marriage, especially husbands or wives' family members. Corridor means a long narrow passage in a building. Academic means connected with study or education. Admire means to show respect. Demonstrate means to show something by doing. Inspire means to encourage somebody to do something well. Individual work. Read the text from the textbook, section A, and make a list of things that Shahana does as a teacher, and then you will show it to your teacher. Dear students, Here is a dialogue for you. You can see a boy and a girl. Help them to complete the dialogue, filling the gaps. Take the words from the box below. The words are do, want, like, lawyer, help, justice. What do you dash to be? I want to be a. The answer will be what do you want to be? I want to be a lawyer. Next, why dash you want to be a lawyer? Because I dash it. I want to dash the people get dash. Now check the answer. Why do you want to be a lawyer? Because I like it. I want to help the people get justice. Now pair work. Now in the same way you ask and answer with your friend about what you want to be. Number 1. What do you want to be? Number 2. Why do you want to be a dash? Dear students, here you can see a boy and a girl. They are discussing about what they want to be in their life. The boy says, I want to be a lawyer. The girl says, I want to be a fashion designer. Then the boy says, what about all of you? The girl says, fix it. It will help you to become a successful person. Dear students, practice this kind of dialogue between you and your friend. Thank you all. Okay, thank you very much. Stay home and stay safe and protect your family members and your community from COVID-19.